The entire Jowai town in West Sandhills district today witnessed a mad rush purchase of essential commodities following sudden announcement made by the Deputy Commissioner that all markets will remain closed from tonight to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the district. The panic-stricken people thronged the Yo Museum and also the new GHADC market, including local shops, to purchase essential items. Some of the traders were not happy with the sudden announcement of closure of the markets by the Deputy Commissioner, as their perishable goods that they have stocked to sell in the coming days will have to be thrown away if markets are not allowed to open.
The lost behind Hong Kong. The buôn cái hàng này vào thế.
Dekat kamu perkati ini bental ni.
Tama kerpa tama when you wide di wide cuma kita nasi asni epor ini. Klem epor kita ini dengan mar cuma ni nak ya. Pur ke ini. Mati bukan kita bisa thế so thế đi khu nong tu stok ini. Mati bukan kita. Di yang mi nong na thế đi nong.
Kamu senyap ya di depan benagi orang dia tak mesti kang dia.
Kamu senyap itu tak kimar ada tiada dari di kiwubun, orang man kesini, koi perkat kang sendet. Temu cenuli nak ini kimar, tepuk kiri, di camping nong, iu ke usahakan ini. Nebah kampung idap udai mentu tetiar ini, idap udai mentu tetiar ini kan. Temu mana kami te mencari se. Teman ma kimut penpena cua kita biang impor teman ile itu ready be sendet ya kami te ile keluar kle se bukai giwa ki melah jing apa sih mau ngasih